Hello everyone. So welcome back. I hope you are all doing well. Now today we'll learn a very interesting topic which is solution of ordinary differential equation by Laplace transformation. So means we can solve some differential equation by Laplace transformation also. Okay, so let's start. So here I have taken a problem where we have to solve d square plus 9 y is equals to what? Cos twice t, and some initial conditions are given. Y of 0 equals to 1, and then y of pi by 2 equals to how much? Minus 1. Okay. So first let us split them. D square y, the next one will be our 9y is equals to cos 2t. So what is the d square y? D square y is y double dash, so double differentiation, plus 9y is equals to cos twice t. So first of all, what to do? We have to replace this small y by capital Y. Okay, replacing small y by capital Y. So if we replace the above equation by capital Y, then it will become y double dash plus 9y is equals to cos twice t. Now what to do? Now we have to take Laplace on both sides. Ly double dash plus 9 is constant, so it will be outside L of y, and then Laplace transformation of cos 2t. Okay, so we have taken both side Laplace transformation. Now we have to use a formula. Now see, we all know that Laplace transformation of f of t is denoted by small f of s. So therefore, here in this particular problem, it is not capital F. We have taken capital Y. So Laplace transformation of capital Y in place of small f of s. Here we are going to denote it by small y. Similarly, see, the third formula is what? L of f double dash of t. So here we are not, we have not taken f double dash, we have taken y double dash. So how much it will be? It will be s square y minus s into y of 0, and the last one will be y dash of 0. Okay, we have changed the symbol capital F to capital Y. Now, so in our problem, we are going to use these two, this one and this one. So see, L y double dash. So it will be our s square y minus s y of 0, and then minus y dash of 0, plus 9 into what is Laplace transformation of y? Laplace transformation of y is simple y. And then Laplace transformation of cos 2t. So we know that the Laplace transformation of cos 8 is how much? It is s divided by s square plus a square. So here our a is 2. Okay. Now see, y of 0 is given in the question. This is y of 0. Y of 0 is how much? 1. But we don't know the value of y dash of 0. It is not given. Some another value is given, but this is again for y. Y of pi by 2 equals to minus 1. That means when t equals to pi by 2, y is our minus 1. Okay. So this implies s square y minus s into, so in place of y of 0, we can write 1. And since we don't know this particular number, no, y dash of 0, so let it be a plus 9y is equals to s divided by s square plus 4. Now in the left hand side, we have 2y. This. So let us take y common. Then we have s square plus 9 whole into y. And all the terms let us take on the right hand side, s plus a plus s divided by s square plus 4. Then y is equals to, let us divide all the term of the right hand side by s square plus 9. So our first term will be s divided by s square plus 9, then a divided by s square plus 9, and then s divided by s square plus 9, and then s square plus 4. Okay. Now see, in the left hand side we have a simply small y, and on the right hand side we have the terms which are terms containing s. Now once we have taken Laplace on both sides, okay, in the third line you see we have taken Laplace on both sides. Now we have to, what to do, we have to take inverse Laplace transformation on both sides. So our left hand side will be L inverse of y, then this will be our L inverse of s divided by s square plus 9, you can write 3 square. Then the second term a is constant, so let us keep it outside. L inverse of 1 divided by s square plus 3 square, and the last term is L inverse of s divided by s square plus 9, and then s square plus 4, s square plus 4. So left hand side what we can write? L inverse of y. So we have written that L of y is how much? Small y. Laplace transformation of capital Y is small y. So this means what? Capital Y equals to L inverse of small y. So in place of L inverse of small y, we are going to write capital Y. So our left hand side is capital Y. So right side is, again we can use inverse trigonometric function formula. So it is L inverse of s divided by s square plus 3 square. So it will be our cos 3t. Okay, cos 3t. Then plus a into right hand side is what? 1 divided by s square plus a square. So this formula is how much? Sine at means 3t divided by a. A is our 3. But you see the last term, no, that there is no formula like this. So for that, what to do? We have to simplify this a little bit. Our denominator is s square plus 9 and then s square plus 4. So in the numerator we have one s. So let us keep that s. And then can we write like this: s square plus 9 minus s square plus 4. Okay. So just in the numerator you see s square will be cancel out. S square will be cancel out. But we have 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is how much? 5. But in this particular line there is no 5, no. So this 5 we have to balance outside. So let us write 1 by 5 outside. Okay. So other things are as it is. So this is equals to cos 3t plus a by 3 sin 3t plus 1 by 5. Now see, we can separate this one. L inverse of, if we divide this term, no, s into s square plus 9 divided by the denominator. So s square plus 9, s square plus 9 will be cancelled out. We have s divided by s square plus 4. 4 means 2 square minus. Now if we divide these two, then now s square plus 4, s square plus 4 will be cancelled out. We have s divided by s square plus 9. 9 means 3 square. Now we can use, or we can write some inverse Laplace formula. Cos 3t a by 3 sin 3t plus 1 by 5. First one will be our cos 2t. Okay, and then second one is 1 by 5. This is cos 3t. So this term and this term both are cos 3t. So if you take LCM, you will get 4 by 5 cos 3t. Okay, in the left hand side, no, in the left hand side, in place of capital Y, you can write small y, because initially I think you remember, no, replacing small y by capital Y. So we have replaced small y by capital Y. That's why uh, finally again we have to replace capital Y by small y. So then plus a by 3 sin 3t and then plus 1 by 5 cos 2t. So actually this will be the answer, but there is one problem. This value we still don't know, a. Okay, so in place of y dash of 0, we have taken a. This particular value we don't know. So now we have to find this value. So let it be equation number 1. I think still remember that in question there is one condition still left out which we didn't use. Y of pi by 2, see, y of pi by 2 equals to minus 1. So what does it mean? When t equals to pi by 2, value of y is how much? Minus 1. So let us use this condition now to find the value of a. So let's write down y equals to minus 1 when t equals to how much? Pi by 2. So therefore equation 1 implies, so left hand side will be our minus 1, right hand side is 4 by 5, then in place of t you have to put pi by 2. So what is cos 3 pi by 2? So cos 3 pi by 2 is our 0. Okay, cos 3 pi by 2 will be our 0. So first term is 0. Then a by 3. Now sine 3 pi by 2. Sine 3 pi by 2 is in third quadrant. So it's minus 1. Then 1 by 5. If we put pi by 2 here, cos 2 into pi by 2. Okay, 2 into pi by 2, 2 cancels, we will get cos pi. Value of cos pi is how much? Minus 1. Now if you simplify it, you will get a value of a. So the value of a will be or a by 3. So value of a by 3 is how much? After if we calculate, this is minus 1 plus 1. So after taking LCM, we will get 4 by 5. So one more step, what to do? We have to put this value in equation number 1. Okay, putting the value of a in equation 1, we get. So left hand side is small y. This is 4 by 5 cos 3t. Then a by 4. A by 4 is how much? 4 by 5 sine 3t. And then 1 by 5 cos 2t. So this is the solution of the given differential equation. Okay. So let us take one more problem. So this one, let us separate it first. D square x dx equals to how much? 2. Some initial conditions are given. X naught equals to 3. So x naught means what? X naught means x of 0. And x1 is x dash of 0. Okay. So in problem, we are going to put this later on. But first of all, let us solve this. So this implies d square x means x double dash plus dx means x dash equals to 2. So after that, what to do? Okay, here we are replacing small x by capital X. Okay, we are replacing small x by capital X. Then what to do? We have to take Laplace transformation on both sides. So x double dash plus Laplace transformation of x dash, then Laplace transformation of 2. You see, again we have to put these two formula. So Laplace transformation, now it is x dash. So Laplace transformation x dash will be what? S in place of small f. Now we are going to write small x, and this capital F of 0. Now it will be x of 0. And the last formula which we have already used in the last problem, there we have used Ly double dash. Now it is x double dash. So it will be our s square small x minus s into capital X of 0, and then what? Capital X dash of 0. Okay, these two we are going to write. This one and this one. So let us put this. So first one will be our s square small x minus s into capital X of 0 minus x dash of 0. These three terms are from this part. And for the second term, we have to write s of x minus x of 0. Okay, these two terms are coming from this one. And last one is what? L of 2. 2 is constant, so let us take it outside. So we have L of 1. Laplace transformation of 1 is how much? 1 by S. Okay, 1 by S. Now see, here one value is given, which is see this one. This x of 0, no? This x of 0 is this term, x naught. So x of 0 is 3. And this x dash of 0 is this one, x1. So x dash of 0 is how much? x1. 1. This is how much? 1. So let us put this value. So x square x minus s into x of 0 is how much? It is 3, then 1 plus again x of 0. So 3. Right side is how much? 2 by s. Okay, it is 2 by s. So now if we, how many x are there? You'll see 2x, 1 and 2. So if you take x common, it will be s square plus s x. Then right hand side we have 1 2 by s. Then this minus 3s, let us take on the right hand side 3s. And then minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. So it will be plus 4. Then what to do? Since we have to find the value of x, so with x we have one term which is s square plus s. So with this term we have to divide. So x equals to 2 divided by is s into s square plus s, 3s divided by s square plus s, 4 divided by s square plus s. So from s square plus s, we can take one s common. Na? We can take one s common. So this will be your 2 into square plus s minus s. Okay. So it is, if we take one s common, it is s square, then s plus 1. 3s divided by, if you take s common, s plus 1. So s cancel out. And from the last term, 4 divided by s into s plus 1. So after that, what to do? We have to take Laplace on both sides, right? So left hand side is what? Small x. Now if we take Laplace, so it will be L inverse of x. Now let us write another line. So we'll take Laplace on inverse Laplace on both sides. L inverse of x. Here 2 will be outside. Inverse Laplace of how much? 1 divided by s square into s plus 1. Then here 3 is outside. Inverse Laplace of 1 divided by s plus 1. 4 is outside. Inverse Laplace of 1 divided by s into s plus 1. Now we have to simplify them. Okay. So left hand side will be your L inverse of small x is what? Capital X. Now right hand side 2 into L inverse. What we can write in the numerator. So let us write s plus 1 minus s. So if we write this particular term, s cancel, again we will get 1 divided by s square into s plus 1. Second term is direct formula, L inverse of 1 divided by, what is the form? L inverse of 1 by s plus a. So it will be e to the power minus t. Then plus 4 into, here we have to simplify a little bit. We will write s plus 1 minus s divided by s into s plus 1. Okay. So this is equals to 2 into, now if we separate them, 1 s plus will be cancelled out. So 1 by s square. Then next one is what? 1 s will cancel out, but still it is 1 divided by s into s plus 1. So this part and this part is exactly similar. Okay. So 3 into e to the power minus t, 4 If we simplify it, how much we'll get? If we separate them, s plus 1 cancel out, 1 by s minus 1 by s plus 1. So this one, no, this one we'll write here directly in the next line because they are same, no. So 2 into L inverse. Now what is Laplace transformation of 1 by s square? Laplace transformation of 1 by s square, how much it is? Laplace transformation of 1 by s square is will be what? What we can write? It will be our t. Okay, and this will be our t. So let us try this one. Let us put an inverse here. Okay. So Laplace transformation of 1 by s square is t. Next is minus 2 into, okay, I am writing the second term, L inverse. Now see, in place of this term, no, we can use this separation. So 1 by s minus 1 by how much? S plus 1. So after simplify, it will come. Then 3 into e to the power minus t, and there we can calculate it. Laplace transformation of 1 by s is how much? 1. Then 4 into Laplace, this is e to the power minus t. Okay, e to the power minus t. So we will get twice t, then minus 2 into, now this is how much? Laplace transformation of 1 by s is 1, and 1 by s minus 1 is e to the power minus t. 3 e to the power minus t plus 4 minus 4 into e to the power minus t. So there are 3 e to the power minus t and some constants are also there. So let us simplify them. So when you simplify them, how much you will get? Minus 2t, sorry, twice t will be one term. Then minus, it is 2 in minus minus plus 2 e to the power minus t, 3, 5, 5 minus 4. So only 1 will be there, only 1 e to the power t. And then plus 2. So what is the left hand side? Left hand side is capital X, right? But what to do? We have to replace capital X by small x. So this is our answer. Okay, this is very, very simple. Okay. So let us go for one more problem. So here just replace, no capital D is there, or already it is in the form of small y double dash. So replace small y by what? Capital Y. So it will be our how much? Capital Y double dash 25 capital Y dash 10 cos 5t. Some initial conditions are given, y of 0 and y dash of 0 are given. So that we have to use after taking Laplace transformation. Now let us take Laplace on both sides. Y double dash 25 into Laplace of y dash, and then 10 is constant, so keep it outside, Laplace of cos 5t. Okay, so we have already know what is L of y double dash. L of y double dash is our s square y minus s into y of 0 and then y dash of 0. This is one term. Then 25 into what is L of y dash? So L of y dash will be our sy minus y of 0. And right hand side is 10 into Laplace transformation of cos 5t is s divided by s square plus 5 square. So now we'll take s common. So here we have one s and here also we have one s. So it's s square plus 25s. S square plus 25s whole into how much? Y. Then minus s into, in place of y of 0. So y of 0 is how much here? Our y of 0 is 2 and y of 0 is how much? 1. So that we have to put here. So in place of y of 0, we'll write 2, and then in place of y dash of 0, y dash of 0 is how much? 0. So it is 0 or something else. So 1. No? Okay, so y dash of 0, y dash of 0, let us make it 0. Y dash of 0 is 0. So this will not come. And here one more term will come, 25 into this term, 25 into y of 0. So y of 0 is again how much? 2. So right hand side is 10s divided by s square plus 25. So here how much we have? We have s square plus 25s. S square plus 25s. So if we take s common, is there some mistake here? So let us simplify it. Okay, let us remove this dash. This dash we are removing. This dash we are removing. Otherwise, it will be a little bit more complicated. Okay. So this last term. So this term will be our only 25y. Only 25y. So if it is 25y, so here you will have nothing, and here it will not come. So s square plus 25. So whatever we have taken, that will also come then, but the calculation will be very, very big. Okay. So now y equals to, now let us take this s square plus 25 on the right hand side. So on the right hand side, you see you have already 10s divided by s square plus 25. So already we have one s square plus 25. So if we divide by one more s square plus 25, it will be your s square plus 25 whole square. Okay. Then plus this minus 2s, now we have to take on the right hand side. So it is twice s divided by s square plus 25. So we are getting two different terms. One is 10s divided by s square plus 25 whole square. Another one is twice s divided by s square plus 25. So now what to do? Now we have to take inverse Laplace transformation. L inverse of small y. So 10 is constant. L inverse of s divided by how much it is? S square plus 25 whole square, or you can write this 10 inside also, no problem. Then next is 2 constant, L inverse of s divided by s square plus 25. So for the first term, no, we have to calculate a little bit this one. So there is no direct formula like this, s divided by s square plus 25 whole square. Okay. So for this thing, what to do? We have to use one formula. We have one formula. I think you know that Laplace transformation of t to the power n, then f of t. Okay. So this is how much? Minus 1 to the power n, then d to the power n by ds to the power n, Laplace transformation of f of t, or you can write small f of s. So exactly the same formula we are going to use for the first term to find. So suppose Laplace transformation, what is t into sine 5t? T into sine 5t. So see, if we compare this formula with this one, then what will be our right hand side? It will be your minus 1 to the power 1, then d to the power n. N is 1, ds, small f of s. What is the inverse? Sorry, what is the Laplace transformation of sine 5t? It is 1 divided by s square plus 25. 25 means how much? A divided by, sorry, 5 divided by s square plus 25. Okay. So minus 1 to the power 1 is 1. And then what we have? We have, if we differentiate it, it will be the differentiation of s square plus 25 is how much? Whole square. Then if we differentiate 25 plus s square plus 25, then I will get twice s. So exactly this will come minus 10s divided by Okay, so one more problem is there. ddx of 5 is constant, then ddx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So minus minus it will become plus 10s divided by s square plus 25 whole square. So see, exactly this time is coming, right? So this part you have to do inside part. So see, now what we'll get? In the left hand side we have x, oh sorry, capital X, and then this is how much? This will be your t sine 5t. Okay, after this Laplace transformation, and last one is how much? 2 into s divided by s square plus 5. So this is your 2 into cos 5t. Okay, so finally this is small x. So t into sine 5t plus 2 into cos 5t. So this part you just try to understand carefully. This portion, without this formula we cannot find. Okay, so I hope this part is clear to all of you. I did 3 sums because if we do more sums then the video will be too much lengthy. So thank you for watching and practice this problem so that you have a better understanding of uh, solving ordinary differential equation by Laplace transformation. Thank you once again.